So here's the progress report on the 37 Dodge pickup truck. I got the body or the cab and box off. They're all over here. As you can see, I've been accumulating parts in the back. I got some sheet steel for boxing the frame. I've been taking off, grinding off the rivets for the different brackets that I want to bolt on. The body mounts here I'm gonna just leave the rivets on there. Then I might just run a nice bead weld around it, just to make sure that it is strong. I believe these rivets aren't coming out. Believe me, after trying to get some of them out. I kind of marked some of the ones I want to cut out, get rid of the battery, get rid of this cross member here that'll probably be in my way. I have this mount off right here. That mount is on its way out. I think there's one. Oh, I guess it's already loose, so I can take that off. Some of the other things are, I took the running board brackets off. You can see I ground off the rivet here and here. I got the other one and I pounded the other one out. I could grind it from the other side, so I'm going to pound those out or drill them out or something, so I can put bolts in there, because I want this to unbolt, because I'm going to rework those brackets separately. They have a lot of rust damage, and some need to be straightened and everything. So I'm going to probably sand those down, do some work to them, and powder coat them. I got other brackets. I got the shock brackets off. Got the rear fender brackets off, both of them, the one under here and the one back here. So as you can see, I'm kind of slowly chiseling away at it. I had to kind of segregate my garage a little bit here, so I put up this plastic wall to keep my normal cars relatively clean while I am grinding on this, because I know how this works. So that's the progress on the frame. There is no progress done on the body, the cab yet. I haven't really touched that, and I haven't touched the box other than load it up with stuff. It's still kind of nice out, so I've been trying to get some of this stuff kind of done so my goal is to get this all stripped out. I'll take the suspension off of it, and then I'm going to take it to a sandblaster and blast the frame. I'll prime, do a epoxy primer sealer on it, and then I will start boxing it in, and then I can just continue on sealing after that. I wouldn't have to have it blasted again. But I don't want to enclose all this rust and stuff that's in here. I don't want to enclose all that, so I'm going to strip that out, seal that, and then I can start boxing it. And then on the back side on the inside of the box part of the frame, I will run paint down in with a sprayer to coat everything again inside there. So this is kind of the deal. That's kind of the update I have for now. I've been tagging everything. But that's where I'm at. I'll keep you updated.